and one counts as going on both sides. Doing toe touches. We'll do 20 of these too, so laying on your back, reach up. Supermans laying on our front. So you'll hold the ball in front of you and reach up. You want to get your legs in, feel your chest and arms up off the ground. Then we're going to do a plank. I'm going to hold it just for 10 seconds because I don't have my clock ready. All right. And last but not least, we're going to do V-ups. So for these ones, you're going to lay all the way back. Bring both up together. These ones are hard because you have to use your core to bring your legs up, but you want to just swing them up. That's one. All right. So this was just one set. This is a little bit of a challenging ab workout, especially the V-ups. Those ones are really hard. But just wanted to go through that with you. Something you can do to change up your ab workout instead of just laying and doing stuff that way. So having a medicine ball is nice. If you don't have a medicine ball, come over and see us at Premier Fitness. We have plenty here. You can do the workout here. But thank you for joining us. Have a good one.